Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've posted, and I wanted to reach out today to let you know a couple things. One, I am no longer suspended on YouTube, so I can now continue to upload new content and things of that nature. As many of you know, uh, mid-year I got suspended for posting supposedly copyrighted content, but nonetheless, that's been resolved, and we are now back in position to start posting again and uploading more content for you, how-to videos and um, informational videos as far as player technique and style, stuff like that. And also, I've been getting a ton of questions in regards to my CNC machines that I create for keybackers. And basically what they are, I offer three different types of machines. I offer the QDemon XL CNC and the QDemon SL CNC. And the XL obviously is extra large, and the SL is a slimline version, both of which are designed to fit on most workbenches and work surfaces. And I designed them to be more accessible and useful for the mid, well, to the small to mid-sized shop, which is what most of us have. And I think that it's a very good fit. I use them myself, and they're very accurate, and I stand behind them 100%. But I also make a dedicated CNC lathe that is designed for tapering. Tapering butts, tapering shafts, custom shaft profiles, things of that nature. And you can see all this on my new website at billiardsinnovations.com. Now, if you go to that website, you'll also find parts and components, because I now sell that as well. And if you look at the bottom of this description down below the video, you'll see some of those components that I sell. Now, I sell your typical stuff, your rings and your joint pins and your joint collars and butt caps and things of that nature. And I'm adding more content every day, or other products every day. And I just wanted to stop in real quick and let you know that we're back up and running on the YouTube channel, and we have more information coming for you. We just have to compile it and put it all together. And I also, if you watch to the end of the video, you'll notice that I added a commercial to further explain the CNC machine that I offer. And again, you can go to the website at billiardsinnovations.com, and you can check it out there, or you can just reach out to me via here on YouTube or Messenger or Facebook, WhatsApp, things like that, and I can help you out as much as I can. Again, I do all this stuff to help broaden your career and to make it the learning curve as painless as possible. And I hope that you guys still find our content very educational and informative. Again, it's been a while since we actually posted anything, a couple months, but we do look forward to posting more content very soon. And enjoy the commercial that I put together coming up next in regards to my QDemon CNC XL. And don't forget, you can go to the website at billiardsinnovations.com, and you can also read articles that I wrote in regards to many things: cue making, playing, deflection, conflicts, things like that. Again, it's billiardsinnovations.com. Please check it out. Subscribe, doesn't cost anything, and I think it'll be very informative to you or for you. And if you are buying parts and components and you're currently playing with cue making, I hope that you purchase them from me. I try to be as competitive as possible, and right now, based on my research, I am more affordable than anybody else in the US as far as my rings and joint pins and general parts and components for key making. So check it out. Use me as your supplier. That'd be awesome. I'd be much appreciated. And enjoy the commercial. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.
Introducing the all-new Q-Demon CNC by Billiards Innovations. The Q-Demon CNC is the perfect addition to any Q shop that insists on accuracy and positional repeatability. With our supported linear rail system and upgraded 16mm ball screw assembly, you can count on smooth operation when you need it the most. The Q-Demon CNC was designed to have a compact overall footprint that will allow it to fit onto most shop workbenches that are at least 28 inches deep by 72 inches long. Ideally, you will want to have a working area of roughly 28 by 72 inches to allow for the machine, desktop computer, keyboard, mouse and monitor, but this may be adjusted based on how you intend to space everything. The Q-Demon is designed to work via USB or a 25-pin parallel port. The parallel port is best suited for post-processors such as Mach 3, and the USB port is only functional if using the USB-CNC post-processor. The Q-Demon comes with a full version of Mach 3 to get you started via the parallel port, and you must have a desktop computer running Windows XP up to Windows 11. The system must be a 32-bit operating system or Mach 3 will not work. Along with purchasing the Q-Demon CNC, you will receive phone support and video chat support to help you get up and running at no extra charge to you. We will be with you throughout your entire journey into Q making. With the Q-Demon CNC, you will be able to do points, inlays, ring billets, logos, joint protector engraving and much more. With the optional spinning station, you will be able to cut both butt and shaft tapers, eliminating the need for a dedicated CNC lathe. With this addition, you gain more shop space as well. Compared to other CNC mills on the market designed to cater to the Q maker, I truly feel that the Q-Demon CNC is the best in class and price point. You will not be disappointed. Q-Demon CNC XL specifications include the following. Voltage AC 110 volts. Maximum operating frequency is 50 Hz to 60 Hz. The overall footprint is 28 by 45 by 22. The Q-Demon CNC is made of 6061 aluminum. Stepper motors are 4 two-phase 4-wire motors. The spindle speed equals 0 to 24,000 RPM. Spindle collet has a diameter of 65 millimeters, 1.5 kilowatts with an ER11 collet and is water-cooled. Repetition accuracy equals 5/10,000ths of an inch. The machine can be controlled via USB CNC or Mach 3. Empty running speed equals up to 100 inches per minute. Engraving speed equals up to 75 inches per minute. Engraving accuracy equals 5/10,000ths of an inch. Positioning repeatability equals 5/10,000ths of an inch. The Q-Demon CNC XL by Billiards Innovations is only $4,495 and is built to order. Shipping is available to all states within the USA. Payment arrangements are considered in some cases. The Q-Demon CNC is the perfect replacement for the manual pantograph at a price that is affordable. Cut precise inlays that you design, not being limited to pantograph templates. Cut ring billets to your specifications, machine linen or leather grooves without needing to clean up the ends, and much more. Turnaround time is roughly 10 to 14 days. Get yours today by reaching out to us at billiardsinnovations@gmail.com. Thank you for your consideration, and we look forward to working with you very soon.